Hello
Dana.
everyone, welcome to my channel 22 Yard Secrets. We are trying some new stuff today. I have actually brought in the fans to be part of this discussion. I had raised in my prior video, would Virat Kohli continue to lead RCB in the next version also? In line with that, I'm going to continue the discussion with my panel here. Let me quickly introduce uh, both Vaidi and Baski here. Vaidi, he's a techie by profession, a cricketer by passion, of course. Having played more than 2 decades for different levels of cricket. Currently, he's keeping himself busy during the weekends. Cricket provides a perfect stress buster for him, for sure, and also his favorite fielders are Azharuddin, Ravindra Jadeja, and Ajay Jadeja also being one of his favorite. Uh, so I had actually requested him to be part of my show. We actually play cricket over the weekends also. He is definitely a good strategist when it comes to providing some insights into the game. That is Vaidi for you. And we also have Baski. I call him Baski. He's Bhaskar, a working professional, a crazy cricket lover at heart for sure. And he's also a weekend cricket player, big time MSD and CSK fan amongst our midst today. And he started following the World Cup right from 1992. And again, both these guys, I know them much more than what I have introduced here. We have actually led some of the cricket teams when we actually represented different teams, so they can actually bring in some strategies of the game. So that way, this is going to be very interesting stuff today. ஆச்சு எல்லாம் இன்ட்ரடக்ஷன்லாம் பயங்கரமா இங்கிலீஷ் பீட்டர் விட்டோம் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே நம்மளோட லாங்குவேஜுக்கு வருவோம் இப்போ ஃபார் த ஃபேன்ஸ். ஸோ பேசிக்காக இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் ஒரு வீடியோ பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தேன். அந்த வீடியோவில் என்ன கவர் பண்ணேன்னா, ஆர்சிபி பர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் ஷுட் விராட் கோலி கண்டினியூ டு லீட் ஆர்சிபி. அதுவும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யூஏஇ கண்டிஷன்ஸில் இந்த வாட்டி ஆர்சிபி பிளே ஆஃப் வரைக்கும் வந்தாங்க. ஹவு இஸ் த சினாரியோன்ற மாதிரி ஒன்று பார்த்தேன். இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் ரெஸ்பான்சஸ் ஃப்ரம் பப்ளிக் இட் கேம். சில ஹார்ட் கோர் ஆர்சிபி ஃபேன்ஸ் எல்லாம் வந்துட்டு வி டோன்ட் வாண்ட் விராட் கோலி டு கண்டினியூ அப்படின்லாம் சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. நிறைய பேர் வந்து he should groom another youngster அப்படின்ற மாதிரி பார்த்து இது பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. So on that basis, my first question to you both is, shorter formats-ல Indian team-க்கு do you think there are better choices available than Virat Kohli right now? Vaidi?
I think Virat Kohli is not a bad captain. He just that you see in a MSD or a Rohit, he actually builds or drives the team with that kind of aggression and the passion that he carries with the game. The only problem with that is, at one point of time, he expects everyone to carry the same of passion, and what drives that passion for him. Okay. It might not be the same for everyone. That actually brings in a little, difficulty in bringing everyone into the same kind of mode for crunch games. So if you actually look at the stats also, he's been doing well, but specifically the moment you come into crunch games or knockouts, be it India or RCB, there is a level of, he's not sure about what needs to be done. You need the right kind of strategists who can actually do that. So not just talking about T20s and ODIs, I think it's best suited for both India and Virat Kohli to have someone else captain and him to concentrate on his batting for the crunch games and the big stage. That's a quick view from my side.
Great. You gave a nice summary of what he actually goes through during the knockout games and his mental state of mind throughout the long tournament like IPL. But do you think currently, apart from Kohli, do we have options who can lead Indian side?
This is for Indian side, right?
For Indian side. Based on the franchisee performance.
Look, I think I would say that, Rohit Sharma has been doing really well, both from a franchisee performance and the short or the small, set of opportunities that he has got to lead India once in a while as well. So I think he's much more, a stable mind on the, a stable head on the shoulders kind of a guy for, big tournaments. He is definitely going to be, that one person who's going to be in the level. You don't want someone who is actually not sure about whether he'll continue to play the game in T20s, ODIs, or something. So that also makes it I wouldn't say a confirmed, but a good choice for a captain from that perspective.
Okay, Baski, your perspective. What do you think is available?
Just adding to Vaidi's point, basically, Virat has been a good captain for us. He's been a lot better a red ball captain for us. Awesome. White ball is really struggled because I was really disappointed when 2019 we were the most confused side entering the World Cup. Number 4, Yarnu Teriyama we entered, and you groomed one guy for 2 years. You groomed one guy with name of Raidu for 2 years, and you brought in some nowhere Vijay Shankar. He didn't make him play. And lot of he's not a very tactical guy. Probably red ball is all about. One thing I liked about Virat is that I'm a red ball fan. So he bought in a lot of bowlers, bowled heavy. Okay, you want to take 20 wickets. Red ball is all about taking 20 wickets. Adukku thagna mari side ready panna. Do you think? I don't think so. Same kind of a thought or clarity he had in one day. He did for the day. That series, what needs to be done. That's what he thought. Couple of glaring examples was this World Cup selections and way KL became a wicket keeper out of nowhere. Because you see last year home series West Indies, he was not there. He was not sure about playing 11. He came and end of the series, he become a full-time keeper for us. Those are the things doesn't have a clarity actually. So in that part is not a tactical guy. That's what if you see RCB, anyway, we had a lot of trolling about RCB, but largely because 8 years something is going wrong, something like that. He's not a tactically sound guy. He wants to be aggressive. All this part is okay. That worked for him in red ball. Somewhere he's losing his tactical point in white ball. So that's one of the reasons we had enough. All the knockout failures. You see, Champions Trophy lost, World Cup semi-final lost. A lot of tactical error he was missing in spite of having MSD in place. So now it's the time to look beyond, largely because see MSD left white ball when he found a replacement. Okay. I'm not sure Virat is looking for a replacement or not, but as a fans, we feel that somebody is there right now. It's not groomed. He's done reasonably well. Winning 5 IPLs is not good. Not a simple record to hold. And there are people struggling to win one. This guy won 5 just like that. And for that, yes, Rohit has to take credit, even though it's not an apple-to-apple comparison. But in terms of tactical acumen, I think Rohit is slightly much more far ahead and better off what Virat is. So probably now is the time to India to have split captaincy, one for a white ball, which is T20 and 50 overs, and of course red ball. Obviously, choice has to be Virat because he has built a good team around it. That's it.
Hey, great insight.
Anyway, Rohit பத்தி பேச போறேன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னப்பறம் ஏன் MSD நாட்டுல கொண்டு வரீங்க? அது விளையாட போறது இல்லன்னு சொல்லிட்டார்ல.
இல்ல MSD இருந்து கூட அந்த பைய உலகம்னு கத்துக்கலையேன்னு சொல்ல வந்தேன்.
இல்ல excellent insights. இப்போ பாத்தீங்கன்னா Vaidi, you had great read about Rohit Sharma's captaincy. நீங்க ஒயிட் பால்ல விராட் கோலியோட அந்த நம்பர் 4 ஸ்லாட் வேர்ல்ட் கப் வரைக்கும் என்ன மாதிரியான ஸ்ட்ராட்டஜில நம்ம மிஸ் பண்ணோன்ற பாயிண்ட் எல்லாம் கிளீனா கொண்டு வந்தீங்க. எனக்கு வந்து இந்த IPL சீசன் 13 பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா 2 யங் கேப்டன்ஸ் இன் ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் KL ராகுல் கிங்ஸ் 11 பஞ்சாபை வண்டர்ஃபுல்லா ஹேண்டில் பண்ணாரு. அதே மாதிரி நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா டெல்லி கேபிட்டல்ஸ்ல ஸ்ரேயஸ் ஐயர். இஸ் ஃபியூச்சர் இன் சேஃப் ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஃபார் இந்தியன் கிரிக்கெட் வித் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் டு கேப்டன்சி தான் நான் இன்னும் என்னோட கொஸ்டினை பேஸ் பண்றேன்.
KL, I'm not sure, but too early. But one season doesn't define anything. Always people got short memory. One season we'll pull them up and pull them down also. But Shreyas looks much more calm and composed actually in terms of marshalling the resources. KL Rahul, and the 5 series winning streak pathina was completely lost actually. Enna padradhu therilla. Okay. And the but Shreyas was even losses he was actually it. That's what I feel there.
The reason why I also say too early now, the point is both Shreyas Iyer and Rahul at this point of time are not sure about their position in the team. Okay,
Okay.
And that is one. And you need to give them that confidence and the comfort first. One, give them the time, and groom them.
Okay.
And both Rohit and Virat, for that matter, at this point of time, if you look at it, you will have at least about 4-5 years in their career now, right? A good enough time to continue for that 4-5 years and then slowly groom the right kind of captain. Shreyas Iyer, yes. Rahul, I'm still doubtful. Problem with Rahul was he led the team with example, in the sense, avanu score panni, he gave them that confidence, the comfort to build that team. But the problem is in between, when they were losing, like what Baski was saying, ground his his body language changes so quickly. Shoulders drooping, not enough of that bringing people together kind of a body language. He scores, but how do you get, as a captain, you should get others to actually perform at their best also. It's not just about you performing and like நீங்க இப்போ உங்க வேலையை பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியாதுல்ல. So that's something that he needs to build in his body language. If he does that, then brilliant. But that's something that I did see in this IPL specifically.
So my next question would be, does he have the right person to look up to as captain then?
With Rohit, probably yes.
No. Right now, Virat Kohli.
With Kohli as well, actually yes. Kohli doesn't. The thing is, he is always pumped up. One. But the only problem is whenever things are not going right, he is either in mid wicket or mid or long on.
Okay. Your view on this?
That's why I was about to say that KL Rahul is a good thing about. I'm not sure still he's a full-time keeper or not, but in a good safe problem. I'm not sure white ball. So if it's that, then it gives him a good position. Any wicket keeper. Classical example was MSD for us, who's been a keeper who knows it.
I don't want to see him keep. Very clearly, there are 5 brilliant keepers.
Beyond Rohit, it has to be these two guys. But if you ask me, between these two guys who are well placed in Pata, Shreyas. Shreyas looked lot composed, whatever I saw. Probably, yes, he'll pick. Surely he'll not pick anything from Virat. So he'll pick a lot from Rohit.
Probably a slight tangential point around this. Ashwin is not sure about his position in white ball cricket at this point. But based on his form, considering that he's bowling more of off spin rather than anything else, if he continues to do that, he might get back to white ball cricket. And if he does, along with Rohit, he's also a good option.
And also, one good thing is never bowled a leg spinner in the IPL. He bowled all off spinners.
Can we conclude that future captaincy, we do have options and it is in safe hands other than Kohli?
It is.
Yes, it is.
It is.
Absolutely.
Look, the other biggest advantage Indian cricket that has is over the last decade and a half. They have built the evolution of cricketers to the national level well.
Awesome. Hey, thanks, guys.
And last point, Vaidhi, sorry, last one, Prasi. We should look for a different captain, white ball, red ball. As a fan, as a cricket lover, I want to see that because I feel time is up for Virat actually.
Okay.
But just a quick question to Baski specifically. Do you think you will get another MSD to captain?
No way, sir.
I will also join with Baski to answer that question. No way.
No way. He's like another Sachin. Will we get another Sachin? I don't think so. We'll get another MSP. As a player, as a captain, I don't think so. Nobody can match that kind of mandate.
Hey, awesome, guys. Great and exciting discussions. Seriously, we covered so much varied intricacies of each of those topics and also the options that we have for the captaincy. Thanks a lot for joining in. Would love to hear more views from you on other topics also, which is running in my mind. Maybe in forthcoming videos. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thanks, Prasi.